Welcome back to Lonewolf Outdoors. I'm going to be installing this camera I bought off Amazon, and I wanted to do an unboxing. I may or may not get to do it today because we got about 30 to 40 mile an hour winds outside, so it may be tomorrow. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, show you what's in it, and go from there. I did open this up already because I just did, but it was packaged really good. Here's your instructions. Here's your monitor. I'll be installing this on my camper. That way I can see when I can change lanes. I've had campers before and I always hated that feeling. Here's the camera itself. It's already wired for a Furion camera, but they're about $650. But this is supposed to have an adapter where I can just plug it right in. Here's a suction cup mount for your windshield. That's probably one I'll use. There's a little shroud that goes over your, keeping glare off. There's a bracket in case you want to put it on your dash, I guess. I probably won't be doing that. And this here is supposed to be the bracket and the cable. That way you don't have to splice into wires and stuff. Makes it better, more waterproof. And here's all your other accessories. Here's some type of cord. I guess you wired it straight. There's a cigarette lighter adapter for your monitor. Here's another, here's your antenna. You got 3 antennas. And it's got the knobs and screws, and here's a little thing you can plug up to a battery. You can stick these in here to it, see if it works. And you got some little wire clips. And a little screwdriver. We won't be needing none of these. So the name is Rpod Wireless Rear View Camera Kit. I'll put a link in the description when I get this installed and check it out. We don't know how it works, but there you go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this camera ready and put this adapter on it. It comes with the screws. That way when the wind calms down a little bit, I can get out there and put it on and show you how it works. It does come with this Allen wrench. I'm gonna take these out and I'll be right back. All right, took this off. I took the screws out, got little washers. Now I'm gonna put this on, this, just like that right there, and it comes with these little bolts with little nuts on them. So I'm gonna put that on there. Okay, I got this back. You want this little hook on the right hand side, and the camera's gonna go in here like that. So I'm gonna tighten all this down, get everything ready, and we'll move to the next step. Okay, I got it on there. You will need a 5/16 wrench to hold them nuts right there, and you'll need a little bit bigger screwdriver than this one. Well, it took me a good while to put that grommet in there to make it waterproof. I had to cut it, but it's still waterproof. And I got it in backwards. Well, I got the grommet in there. It ain't pretty, I'm telling you. I was making up words, but it's in there now. Well, we're up on the ladder, getting ready to put this camera on. This wind is like 40 mile an hour, so bear with me. It's got 4 screws, one here, 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 and here. We'll take this cover off in a second. All right, I got this off. Got the screws up here. I'm gonna stick this in my pocket because there's about 40 mile an hour winds out here. So now I'm gonna try this camera, see if it fits. Here's your little plug right here. Take this little rubber thing off of it. Okay, we gotta jam these wires up in there and put this plate on there. Okay, I got the wires fed up in here. Now I'm putting these screws here for this plate. Then I'll put the side screws on this. Yeah, put the last screw on the bracket. I have all 4 in there. Checking them all again. All right, now we're going to attach this up here. Okay, next I'm putting these little screws in right here, and they're a bear, so I got to change my position and do the other side. Well, I got these screws in right here. I think I got that one crooked. All right, get the last one in there. There it is, solid. We're gonna go inside the truck and see what kind of picture we got. There's my helper, Miss Lone Wolf. Okay, we got this picture here. What you gotta do is you go to the menu. Well, try again. You gotta scroll over these buttons till you get the pairing and hit enter. And that'll pair this monitor to your camera in the back. But it looks good, clear. Just subscribe and hit this like button on this one. Appreciate it.